up, guys? You're probably like, oh my god, there's a bird. What?
What the flip?
Anyways, we're in the park.
Not gonna show the park though?
Wait, I can't see it anymore.
Where's Dad?
This is a bird's nest. It's a, no, don't move her. See, as you can tell, she's really, she has 4 eggs in there, Jackson.
I see 3 right now. Don't show her face, don't show her face.
Duh, I think I'm smart. Wait, where's Birdie? So I'm gonna go closer so you guys can see.
See as close as you can go. I'll watch my dad.
Oh god, I'm kind of scared because I don't. Where? Okay, one second. So there's Dad.
So I try to get closer.
Wait, don't! Stop! I'm trying to get a good angle. I can't see, guys. I don't know if you guys can see. Wait, where'd they go?
Okay.
I can't see. Well, anyways, I mean, this is kind of short. So, anyways, my friends and I like made a little challenge that him and wait, we're gonna 1 second. I'll be right back.
Yeah.
Wait, come as close as you can with that stick. We don't want to hurt them because that's what my mom said. Is that too close for your comfort?
Yeah.
Okay, so I mean, there is 4 eggs.
Under it, but
Oh, it's moved.
yeah, because I dropped this.
Okay, they can see them.
Back up.
They're
Yeah,
right-
you can probably see them. They're right there.
Yeah, point it with the stick.
Hey. There, she's like right next to them. Now she's sitting on them.
Yeah, right there. There, they can see. So yeah, that's pretty much all. And this is what we're just watching it. So pretty much, there's the girl's tablet. I can't even see.
But your viewers can't see. It's just the glare on the
Yeah,
screen.
it sucks. And then there's a Sprite that she's having.
Yes.
A lemonade that can you like sponsoring a lemonade? And Sprite. And Sprite.
And I got Sprite.
It's
Sprite.
Sprite.
It's Sprite.
It's Sprite.
I don't care. Drink Sprite.
And then this is the water that I gave Jackson.
You mean Jack's boy?
Jack's what? Oh, freaking! I think they already know your name.
They do.
And then yeah.
The first video.
And then
Nobody
yeah.
watched it.
Oh, I just about showed the side again. Wait, did I say again?
Yeah.
Oh, car!
You do this in one of your other videos.
I know, right?
I gotta make another video soon because I have.
You can see it
one
walking.
at home.
Okay, this is 3 minutes. Oh, freaking well. I'm gonna say car. If you haven't seen that video, it's walking around.
No, you got it. Look.
I know. I already showed him.
No.
I know. I already showed him. I already showed him. No, don't kill it. Car. Okay, this is probably just gonna be 2 minutes of it. Okay.
2 minutes of showing cars. Car.
Get out of the way.
Car.
Car.
Boom, semi.
Car. Semi. Okay, that's boring. Why? Why do I? This is a free country. Right, guys. So you know what this?
Strict rules.
Gosh, she has a stick. Yes. Okay. Don't. Not that kind of comment. I know everybody knows we have a stick. Shut up. We're gonna end it off with him.
Doesn't every boy have a stick?
No, really.
We know that.
Violent. So just say bye to my viewers. Ow, she threw a rock at me.
I'm Chrome Boy.
You know what? Bye.